Hi everyone, Tridibhai from TGT and welcome to another video. WatchOS 8.5 has been out for more than a week now and I could not make a What's New video at that time due to some issues as I usually do. So I thought let's make the video a few days later so that I can share how is it running in this Apple Watch Series 5 as well. I'm using it from the day it was released. Just for a recap, along with WatchOS 8.5, Apple also released iOS 15.4, iPadOS 15.4, Apple tvOS 15.4, HomePodOS 15.4. Also on the Mac side, Apple released macOS Monterey 12.3, macOS Big Sur 11.6.5, security updates for macOS Catalina along with Safari 15.4. I have made separate videos for macOS Monterey 12.3 and Safari 15.4 as well. WatchOS 8.5 update size was around 542 megabytes on this Series 5 Apple Watch. I was on WatchOS 8.4.2 previously. WatchOS 8.5 is supported for Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to the newest Apple Watch Series 7. So you should be able to update to this version if you have any of these Apple Watch models. To check for the new build number, you need to go to Settings, then go to General, then About, and as you can see the version is 8.5 and the build number is 19T242. Even though this update is already out for a few days, but here is a quick recap about the new features and changes in WatchOS 8.5. Apple mentioned three major changes in the description. The first one is the ability to authorize Apple TV purchases and subscriptions via your watch. So let's say you buy some movie or subscription plan on Apple TV app. Now you can directly authorize the payment via your watch. Next one is the COVID-19 vaccination cards in Apple Wallet now support the EU digital COVID certificate format. So if you are from European Union countries, the digital COVID certificate provided by the health authorities can now be added on Apple Wallet so that you can directly access the certificate from there. If you use an Apple Watch which supports ECG, there is an update to that feature. WatchOS 8.5 updates irregular rhythm notification designed to improve identification of atrial fibrillation. Available in United States, Chile, Hong Kong, South Africa and many other countries where the feature is available. It is also available here in India as well. So if you use your Apple Watch to measure heart rates and take ECG readings, it should provide better and enhanced results now. Apart from these three, there are quite a few changes which Apple didn't mention about. The most important one is you can now restore your Apple Watch using the iPhone on WatchOS 8.5. If you go to the support document related to this feature, as you can see here, it says if your Apple Watch shows an iPhone and a watch or a red exclamation, what you should do. If your Apple Watch with WatchOS 8.5 or later displays an animation showing a watch and iPhone being brought close together, follow these steps. Also, in some instances, your Apple Watch might show a red exclamation point. If this happens, double-click the side button and then follow the steps above. So you can now directly restore your Apple Watch from your iPhone in case of any difficulties. I'll link this support document in the description box below so that you can easily access that. But remember, you have to be on WatchOS 8.5 or later and iOS 15.4 or later. Next, if you open the Apple Watch app, then go to Mail. Let's go to Mail. Within Mail, you can now find the option to always load content directly. You can turn this option on or off as you want. Also, within the custom alerts, you can now find the option to hide IP address. But you have to be an iCloud Plus subscriber for that. Apple also added a few new watch face colors in WatchOS 8.5 to match the newly released watch bands. So if you go to the Apple Watch app and then to Face Gallery, then within color you can now see there are a few new ones such as Blue Fog, Bright Green, Eucalyptus, Nectarian and many more. The same color watch bands are also available to buy on the Apple Store. WatchOS 8.5 also includes some security updates as well. If you go to the Apple Security Update website and then go to WatchOS 8.5, you can see there are updates to Accelerated Framework, Apple AVD, Image IO and many more. Also, there are updates for Kernel, Safari, Phone, Siri and few WebKits as well. I will also link this document in the description box below. After updating to WatchOS 8.5, some users were facing excessive battery drainage. You can solve that issue by reinstalling your Apple Watch via iPhone without restoring from a backup. Also, you should check for excessive background app refreshes. For most of the apps, background refresh is not necessary for the app to work properly, so do check on that as well. Also, some of you are saying that the charging issue is back with WatchOS 8.5. Once the watch charges up to 90 to 95%, it stops charging and then starts charging again. The cycle repeats after 10 to 12 seconds. I'll follow the issue closely. Performance-wise, WatchOS 8.5 is running without any issue so far in this Series 5 Apple Watch. I'm using this watch for more than 2 years now and it is still running nice and smooth, just like the new one. The app performance is also fine, no charging issue either. I always use the Apple MagSafe Duo charger to charge my Apple Watch overnight. The battery life of WatchOS 8.4.2 was good. The battery life of WatchOS 8.5 is also as usual for my watch. I am not facing any excessive battery drain after updating. Let's check the battery health. Let's go to settings, then battery, and check the battery health. And as you can see, it's 81%. After more than 2 years of daily usage, this battery life is quite acceptable. With this battery health and always on display, I usually end my day with around 30% battery life left in this Apple Watch Series 5. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer, you should definitely update to WatchOS 8.5. It seems to be stable and comes with some important changes, fixes and major security updates. After updating, do mention if WatchOS 8.5 solves any of your existing WatchOS issues or added some new ones. That's it. If you have found something else with this update, do write it down in the comment section below. Do like, share and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.